Today you will learn how long foundation repairs last. Foundation repairs are one of the largest repairs for a home. So, is it really worth it? And does it last? And if so, how long? We will answer these questions today, letting you know if the repairs will last and if it's worth the investment. Foundation repairs are needed when a foundation starts to heave or settle. This is usually seen when you can start to notice part of your home's foundation starting to rise or sink. If this happens, you will more than likely need foundation repairs, which levels your home and your foundation back to normal. You can find cracks in drywall and stucco, sloping floors, leaning chimneys, and doors and windows sticking, or in some cases, not opening at all. You can find these pretty easily. To tell if you have sloping floors, you will need a marble or something round that will roll. You're going to place the marble on a smooth floor and give it a little tap. The marble is going to roll towards the lowest area of the floor. This may be in a corner of your home or along an exterior wall, or it could even end up in a sagging area of your home's floor if you have a raised foundation in an unsupported area. Regardless of where it ends up, if it does end up moving away from the location where you started, you more than likely have some sloping floors or uneven floors. Doors and windows are easy to spot too. If you try to open a door or window and it's no longer gliding smoothly, you either have a busted window frame or you have a foundation issue that is causing it. Typically, when doors and windows are sticking, you will usually find diagonal cracks around the upper corners of the frame of the windows or doors. If you don't see any of these cracks and you have recently purchased your home, more than likely the cracks have been patched and it is only a matter of time before they return. You can also look closely and typically see where the cracks were patched. When chimneys start to lean, you will start to find a gap to appear at the top of your chimney, and it will get smaller as you work your way to the bottom of the chimney. This visual test will need to be completed from the outside of your home, and you will need to look at the chimney from a profile view instead of a straight in front of vantage point. So, how long do these repairs last if you elected to move forward with repairing your home's foundation? With all our galvanized steel products, whether it's our helical or push piers, they all come with a lifetime warranty. The lifetime warranty is based on the lifespan of the structure and not the person. And it can be transferred over to new homeowners if you ever do decide to sell your home. If you're concerned that you might in fact have some foundation issues in your home, don't worry, we're here to help. Click the Get Started button at the top right of our website to schedule your free foundation inspection. Thank you for watching the video, and remember to never settle for foundation issues.